Class 9th, Chapter Measuring the Rate of Motion. Chapter 8. Let us see how we can measure the rate of motion. Here we are introducing the two terms for the purpose.
Measuring the rate of motion.
Different objects may take different amounts of time to cover a given distance. Some of them move fast and some move slowly.
The rate at which objects move can be different. Also, different objects can move at the same rate. Speed.
One of the ways of measuring the rate of motion of an object is to find out the distance traveled by the object in unit time.
This quantity is referred to as speed. Units of speed.
The SI unit of speed is meter per second. This is represented by the symbol meter per second or ms powered -1. The other units of speed include centimeter per second and kilometer per hour.
To specify the speed of an object, we require only its magnitude.
So, speed is a scalar quantity. A scalar quantity is the quantity which has magnitude only, not the direction.
The speed of an object need not be constant. In most cases, objects will be in non-uniform motion.
Therefore, we describe the rate of motion of such objects in terms of their average speed. The average speed of an object is obtained by dividing the total distance traveled by the total time taken. That is, average speed is equals to total distance traveled upon total time taken.
If an object travels a distance s in time t, then its speed v is v equals to s by t.
Let us understand this by an example. A car travels a distance of 100 km in 2 hours. Its average speed is 50 km per hour. The car might not have traveled at 50 km per hour all the time. Sometimes it might have traveled faster and sometimes slower than this.
Speed. Gati. Velocity, speed with direction. Veg. Velocity, speed with direction. The rate of motion of an object can be more comprehensive if we specify its direction of motion along with its speed. This truck going downward, this truck traveling from east to west. Velocity is the speed of an object moving in a definite direction. This plane going upwards, speed 110 meter per second. So its velocity is upward 110 meter per second. The velocity of an object can be uniform, like this traffic, or variable, like the helicopter or ambulance. It can be changed by changing the object's speed, direction of motion, or both. Here, the police car and fire brigade has the changing velocity. average velocity. When an object is moving along a straight line at a variable speed, we can express the magnitude of its rate of motion in terms of average velocity. It is calculated in the same way as we calculate average speed. In case the velocity of the object is changing at a uniform rate, then average velocity is given by the arithmetic mean of initial velocity and final velocity for a given period of time. That is, average velocity equals to initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. Mathematically, VAV equals to U plus V upon 2, where VAV is the average velocity, U is the initial velocity, and V is the final velocity of the object. Speed and velocity have the same units, that is meter per second or ms powered minus 1. You can write in both the ways and both are the right way to write the units of velocity and speed. Now here, rate of change of velocity. During uniform motion of an object along a straight line, the velocity remains constant with time. In this case, the change in velocity of the object for any time interval is 0. Rate of change of velocity. Now, in case of non-uniform motion, then velocity varies with time. Here again, a straight line is there, A to C to F, and the traffic here showing the change in velocity. It has different values at different instants and at different points of the path. Thus, the change in velocity of the object during any time interval is not 0. Here, the final velocity and initial velocity are different from one another, and you can find out the change in velocity by subtracting final velocity by initial velocity, that is V minus U. Here now we will see the difference in between velocity and speed.
Speed is equal to distance upon time.
Yes, velocity equals to displacement upon time. आगे.
Velocity is vector quantity, whereas speed is equal to scalar quantity.
Vector quantity has magnitude and direction both, and scalar quantity has magnitude only.
The value of velocity may be 0, positive or negative units. The speed of an object is always positive.
Okay, here the units are same for both of these cases, so unit is common for both of these. SI unit of velocity and speed is
ms minus 1 or meter upon second.
okay, meter per second or ms powered minus 1. There are some other units also used there.
Kilometer per hour minus 1 or kilometer per hour. Centimeter per second minus 1 or centimeter per second.